can be an astronaut too. Cool. You can be the mayor. That's cool. You can be the governor. That's cool. You can be the next president.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's my man Frankie Flowers with Coolness right here on WindyCityUnderground.com, home of the JR Bang Morning Show. And as everyone knows, I forget, a couple days ago, New York had, there was an earthquake in Virginia that was felt all up and down the East Coast. And now Hurricane Irene is going ahead and making its way up the East Coast, and everyone in New York is kind of panicked of how bad this is going to be because it looks like a real bad hurricane. And on the phone, I have my girl, Crystal. Crystal, what's up, baby girl?
Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Now, Crystal, you're from Atlanta, and you spent some time in Toledo. And I don't think, and I know you've been in LA a couple of times, and I don't think you ever expected to be in New York and feeling an earthquake. Was that your first earthquake?
Actually, it was. And you know, being from Atlanta, you figure things like that are going to happen down there, but I actually felt it up here.
Right. So tell me, how did that go? Because I know some people in New York didn't feel it, but I know you felt it. Where were you, and what happened?
I was sitting at my desk, minding my own business, and then all of a sudden, I looked up and I saw my coworker. She was staring at me like a deer caught in headlights. So I thought something happened. I thought maybe she got bad news or something. So I ran over to her immediately, and I was like, what's going on? Are you okay? What happened? And she was like, you didn't feel that? You don't feel that? And I was like, no. And then as soon as I said that, I felt like my equilibrium was off because it started to shake again. And I was like, oh, my God, it's an earthquake. What do we do? What are we supposed to do? And I'm like, holding onto the wall like that's going to help.
Holding onto the wall, standing on the desk, like, what are we supposed to be doing during this time? I have no idea.
Exactly.
Never had an earthquake drill back in elementary school. I was like, I don't know what the hell. Am I supposed to sit in the tub? Do we have a tub here? Sit in the tub, right? Well, now they got this big hurricane coming your way, and I know I saw you talk about this on Facebook that you live by the Hudson and they're telling everyone to evacuate. What's going on right now in New York?
It's like everybody's in a panic, everybody's in a frenzy. You know, I think really I don't know how bad it's going to be.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I think with everything that happened with Hurricane Katrina, everybody's just kind of scared, and they want to make sure that we take all the precautionary, ways of handling this.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so like the mayor, I got this automated call last night. Where I live, it's literally right on the river. Look, I can literally swim to New York City.
Right.
And he said that everybody in my area needed to evacuate. So, I mean, they're shutting down the subway, in the city, and everybody who's along the Hudson basically is evacuating.
So what are
for the most part.
So what are your plans? How are you going to? Because you're a friend of mine, so I'm concerned about you. What are you doing? Because I was like, well, go to a Holiday Inn, go down the street, just stay away from the water.
Exactly. So, there's also like a lot of floodlands, a lot of area in here that could get flooded. So I found a coworker, a friend of mine. She doesn't live too far from where I work.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go home, pack my stuff, try to lock everything down, and I'm gonna
you still at work? So
you're
still at work?
I'm still at work right now.
They haven't let you guys go yet? Because I'm hearing that. I don't know when they're shutting down the subway or whatnot, but they're letting people bring their pets on the subway. It's like it's going to be a madhouse when you get out of there. I would think they would let you out early.
Oh no, not. Well, maybe if I was in the city, but because where I work, I'm on the Jersey side.
Okay.
So I mean, a few people have left.
Okay.
And really, right now, the weather, it doesn't look like a storm is coming because it's beautiful. There's blue skies. There's sun out. It's hot.
Okay.
So far off in the distance, I can see a couple clouds. But other than that, you would never know that a hurricane is headed our way.
Well, Crystal, you wanted to be in New York. You in New York. How you feel?
Lord Jesus. Like finally, when I get up here, all hell breaks loose with the weather. So, I mean, hopefully it's not going to be as bad as we're thinking it's going to be.
Right.
I'm just going to prepare for the worst, but pray for the best.
Yeah,
So,
that's been the motto I've been hearing up in New York is just prepare for the worst, pray for the best. But I think you guys should be fine. Like I said, just stay dry as possible.
yes, sir. You know, I will be keeping you posted via Facebook and text message.
Yeah, because it's been hard to call people up there recently. So, yeah, just be safe. All right, girl?
I will. Take
All right.
care.
Yeah, you too.
All right.
You too. Be safe.
All right, bye.
Bye. Yeah, it's my girl Crystal. Like I said, it's just pure craziness going on in New York right now. Earthquake and a hurricane. I think they've covered most of, unless you got, some other, like frogs, some other biblical things that can happen to them. Locusts. I think they're pretty much covered right now. More music on the way. This is GLC with Pour Another Drink featuring John Legend. You're listening to The Mind of Med on WindyCityUnderground.com. Your music, your station. Let's go.